Guys, I'm going to be checking out this new update, the new wiring update in Yeeps hide and seek. So I haven't seen anything. Let's check it out. Sure. From what I've heard, the new update is this way. What are
Yes,
those?
it's in basement. It's in
Okay,
basement.
so it's some sort of thing. Bro,
Bro,
I can't wait to check this out. There's two gnomes now. That's weird. Look at that! How are people actually in this code? I'm trying to...
Hold on.
That's not a problem. I'll just mute everyone. Sorry, if I'm interrupting something. I'm just trying to make a video. Okay, so guys. In here? Nope. Oh, you already know I'm gonna be buying everything. And this will actually, be a part of my content creator quest. Whoa! What's this? What? I can turn... Whoa! Oh, you can press a button and it'll turn on... Yo! Wait, how do I get out? That's not funny, guys. Let me out! Let me out! Alright. Brittle glass. Ooh, what's this? What? Wait. Am I 11? I don't know. What? What's this new? What's in here? Okay, so just wires. Wait, no, wires are pretty cool. Or gay, not gay. Oh, I'm glad I know a lot about that stuff. Big powered spring pad. What are these? I'm not trying to buy. I just bought 3 accidental things. No, I'm broke. Okay, I need to do those. 4 stores. Okay, whatever. Move! So you need a key and it will do something. Okay, so I'm through here. Oh, you own a key. Alright, what's in here? No, don't put a bomb on me. Whoa! Whoa, new water. Oh, it kills you. Okay, or tags you. Oh, whoa, what's this? Whoa! I'm bouncy, boing. Oh, wait. No, I just have low gravity. Key! So, you pick it up and then you... Oh, it gives you a key. You know, I could have thought about that. And in a video here soon, maybe about a week or 2, I will be showing off all of the buttcoin stashes. So what's in here? Just another... White key. Oh, it's a puzzle. I like puzzles. That's nothing. Alright. Alright, so this is a pretty cool place. Open up. Okay, it slammed into me. What does this do? What? This is where you need the red key. Oh, wait, no, it just gives you a red key. Oh, and that's where you put in the red key. Oh. Okay. Brittle glass, break through that. What's this? Why? Why? What? What are these? What's in here? Woo! Down through. Whoa! Powered teleport pad thingy. Is it a powered teleport pad? It is! That's so cool! Whoa. What's through here? Okay, so that's how you use the powered... I want to see if I can throw my teleport ball through it. Oh, darn it. They actually thought about that. Let us in! Thank you. Oh, it's pins. Trying to murder me. Got it. Okay. So through here. Didn't we already go here? Yeah, I thought so. And then in here's back here again, yeah. Okay. I've already been here. Woohoo! Up I go. No way it's powered too. That's so cool. Actually. Wait, how do I get out of here? Oh, right here? Okay, so that's how I opened that, but I saw something up here. Oh yeah, I already went through that. Alright. There's gotta be a buttcorn thingy. Nowhere? I'm so surprised. They like hiding stuff back there. Okay, and there's one more thing I want to check out. Because I've already been here. Yeah, one more thing to check out. In here, there's a temporary wild. Whee! And this is going away in 19 days. This is, disturbing. Okay, guys, that was the Yeeps new update wiring. And I will be uploading a video here shortly showing all the buttcoin chests. But for now, I'm going to be getting some new blocks. And then I'll show you what I'm going to do with my base. Bye-bye!